Some best practices to consider regarding deployment framework include component versioning. Each component has its own independent revision history. Remember that every time you save a component, the revision number is incremented along with the user who changed it. You can restore a previous revision by selecting a previous version and saving the component. But you do need to be careful when restoring a component. Make sure other processes and components are not relying on the most recent version. Restoring a previous version does not delete other components referenced by the newer configuration. The Show Where Used feature should be used to see all components that reference a given component. Deployments are made to logical containers called environments. These help to facilitate the development lifecycle phases and enable change management by allowing different versions of the same process to reside in different environments. Connection credentials and global parameters can be configured per environment using executions. Even more importantly, an environment gives you greater control over change management and supports different connection configurations with the use of extensions. Integrations can be built, tested, and promoted between environments with a full audit trail of what was deployed and by whom. This helps ease management of larger implementation projects that require the use of multiple application setups, on-premise resources, and a distributed architecture. Typical classification of environments may include development, where developers perform their activity, including unit testing of the development. A test environment, where the various components of the development are tested in combination. And then production, the final environment where the deployed processes run either on a local atom or in the cloud. Here's an example of a sample ecosystem with a sandbox, test, development, QA, pre-production, and production environment. When using extensions, the best practice for configuring an extension is to set fake values in the underlying components to protect against inadvertently connecting to the wrong endpoint if an extension is accidentally not declared on a given process or if it's overridden in atom management. You can intentionally configure a placeholder value, such as set by extension, for the actual connection or other to-be-extended components. This will enforce the best practice of extending the connection components and relying on environment extensions for the values. This way, if an extension is accidentally not declared in a given process, it will result in a connectivity exception instead of inadvertently connecting to the wrong endpoint. Extend all connections across all processes. However, only extend the connection fields that will actually change between environments. To configure some types of connector operations, you'll need to reference a connection with actual credentials. Keep a separate copy of the connection component strictly for browsing use, and make it a practice never to deploy these. When executing in test mode, you need to provide values for the extensions. Extensions are configured per atom in the Run a Test dialog. You'll need to enter values for a given process the first time you run a test, but AtomSphere saves the extension values across test mode executions. Some best practices regarding deployment procedures. First, perform development in the Build tab. Perform unit testing with limited test data via test mode. Set connection and other extension values via test mode extensions. Remember, these values are saved per process per atom. Attach and deploy the process to the first environment using the Deploy Latest Revision of Process button. This will create a new deployment version. Configure extensions for the process in the development environment via Atom Management. Perform end-to-end testing in the development environment. Promote to the next environment. Configure extensions for the new environment. Perform end-to-end testing. And finally, repeat steps 6 to 8 for each environment until you reach production.